JJ, Wild Money Entertainment. So a friend of mine asked me to bake peanut butter bread. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Follow me and I'll show you how to bake a quick peanut butter bread. Who don't love peanut butter? And maybe chocolate. We are making no yeast peanut butter bread 1932. You're gonna need some creamy peanut butter, about half a cup. You're gonna need 1 1/3 cup of milk. I'm using 2%. You're gonna need 2 cups of flour. That's what's in my canister. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 cup of sugar. And you're going to need a bread pan, wax paper, 2 bars of Hershey, and over here is my canola oil to spray my pan. You can add peanut butter chips, coconut, chocolate chips to this recipe. I'm adding Hershey chocolate. So first I'm going to grease my pan and line it with that parchment paper. And spray it all on the edges because it's bread. And I'm also using parchment paper or wax paper because it will be easy to lift up the loaf when it's done baking. So that's why I'm double lining it. Now this is lined and ready. Spread a little bit on the top. There. Okay, that's about a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And now, 1 1/3 cups of milk. Now I'm going to stir this all up until it becomes like a creamy peanut butter milk. And then we'll be back. Okay, this is how it should look. It should look like peanut butter milk. So, you want to make sure you stir it really well to get them chunks out. See them chunks? So I'm still going to stir it some more just so I can get them chunks out. A lot of people's going to use, you can use a mixer, a blender. I'm just trying to do it the quick way, which is just stirring it up. Flour. Here's my 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to add my sugar, which is a 1/4 cup. I'm going to add my rise. It's the baking powder. So 4 teaspoons. So make sure you level it out. That's 2, 3, 4. That's my baking powder. And then don't forget the salt. Need a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. And now you're going to fold this mixture in. You scoop, you fold. You scoop, you fold. Okay, you don't want to do too much mixing. Okay, this is how it's starting to look. Now that I've folded it, it's all mixed together. And now I'm going to take my pan and fold it halfway. Disgusting. See, now it's like right there. it is, half. And now I'm going to lay my candy bars in. Way back to 1905. So they probably did have a Hershey candy bar. This is how I'm going to do mine. I only use 2 candy bars. You can use 3 because you really want this to be all filled with the chocolate on both sides. But I'm only working with what I got. Now, what you're going to do now is fill the rest with the rest of the mixture. And cover the chocolate bars with it. Compared to... You can't see any of the chocolate. And we're going to throw it in the oven. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about, I would say check it about 40 to 50 to see if it's cooked. Each oven is different. So we'll be back. Okay, this is it done in the pan. And you want to let it sit for at least 1 hour. And I'm going to show you how easy it is just to lift this up and grab it right out of the pan. Okay, let's see how good it looks on the bottom. Look how nice that looks on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to cut this right in the middle. Normally, you cut bread on the edge, but I want to just see how it looks in the middle. Yummy, yummy for the tummy.